bro.
Yeah, fear not, fear not, fear not, fear not. One more time for you, motherfucker, my face in the pants like fear not.
It's like 7 in the morning.
This coming from a place in the pants like right on the top down. All black, folks black, gotta watch out. Keep it moving, nigga, we ain't got to stop now. Money how the opposition always opt out. Cause they praying for the cop out. Name is a knockout. When you working all day and no clock out, I'ma let it rock now, cause I know the change coming. Let about it cause it came from it. Had a hunger pain stomachs. Run the corner where they pain something. Had to pull up on the range on him. Now a nigga got range on him. See my brother and that thing on him. My brother, we the same, homie.
It's already at like 6 inches. This shit right here is not happening.
Don't ever ever think you know.
Look at this. Damn. Y'all ever been inside the whip when it snows?
Fear me not,
Fear not,
hear me now.
I need it.
Smoke some weed and read it in the literature. Fear me not, hear me now. Smoke some weed and read it in the literature. Fear me not, hear me now.
Bro. Oh my God. Alright, I gotta do the whole whistle. Keep it on. I'll be back. Damn. Oh man. My whole hand is numb. This ain't gonna happen. Come on. Oh my goodness, God. Prepare, always prepare. That's good. Always prepare.
Cheese like it was Doritos. Went from in my front seat, posting stories though, to telling me she got at me like I'm so sorry.
Park this bitch, dog. I couldn't see nothing. I'm not even in the line. Yeah. That boy is rough. But we did it though. We made it though. Shout out. Alright, so we made it. I ain't even gonna lie. This troop bag. This troop bag looked like a thing. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna make it. Right now it's 7:30 in the morning. We're good, we up, we at it. That's a lot of snow.
How can I lose when I got my baby?
That's DC for you guys. That's DC weather, man.
Right now I hear your heartbeat. Loving my
blizzard,
ears, I get that heartbeat. I don't like drugs, so please don't start me. What's some color to my wallet, don't card me. Shots in the backseat to the party. Lost my keys, stacked in like sardines. She got fishy, I'm a fishy with the shark. My niggas on point, count back like the army. In the sprint event, headed back to the RV. FaceTime, baby, face tart, don't charge me until my delay. I'm making a play, you know what you
This is dope. Shout out for the snow.
if you tryna link go with it, I got a plan. If you tryna link go with it, I got a plan. If you tryna link go with it, I got a plan. When I need it, if you tryna link go with it,
Morning. Good. How y'all doing? Yes.
you don't want to leave for sure. If you're living on me, you're one.
Yeah, look at me. We out here. Snowed up. The crazy thing is, it's nice and it's beautiful. But you gotta be careful. Because we're still out here in the city with it. So you don't want to, you gotta stay on the tracks. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to step in no grass. Step in some grass. You don't know what you might step in. You know what I'm saying? So you stay on the tracks. It's crazy. It's beautiful.
Loving on me,
Respect the phenomenon.
Straight like that.
When it all comes down.
Mission accomplished.
loving on me.
Yeah. It's supposed to snow all day.
I feel bad for these folks.
I got a
Yeah. We back at the crib with it. 8 in the morning. We still got some time. It's time to meditate. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and meditate and wake up and get ready for work. You know what I'm saying?
High performer just in your proximity will increase your performance by 15%. If you sit next to a low performer or underperformer, it will decrease your productivity by 30%. So every
We really live in the city life right now, man. With work. Snow's still here. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon, for real. Much love.
What's happening today? Feel like rapping today. Been in DC for a minute, making capital plays. Get your paper up, I swear the capital pay. Get a gig with the government, I heard the capital pay. I seen 100 in my wallet, 100 in front of the K. Never seen so much money, I done threw it away. Got fired again. Now they know I don't play. Break it down for you like 400 a day. I done seen the worst of it. Corporate gangsters name Karen. And I go home to my spot where you gotta watch what you wearing. Hey, the block is on. The shorty know that I be staring. Whether putting in work or at work, it ain't no sharing. I told her she could pull up to my new spot. Ask her what the watch. She said the boondocks. She make money and
What up? We here. It's still snowing outside, but work was cool, you know what I'm saying, as y'all see. Trying to hide and eat my lobster roll, but we heading over to the Humvee 5 at LB spot. We're gonna have some little studio time, so you know what I'm saying, we here. Shout out to 5 at LB 1998, man, he on the way, he doing his thing, he really tight, he up here in the DMV. So if you watching this, go look up LB 1998 and the Humvee 5 hours view. You know what I'm saying? They tight. And XL, the Humvee XL. You know what I'm saying? Shout out. We're gonna pull up to the studio. We about to pull up to the studio. And we're gonna see what the Humvees is on, man. So let's see what's happening. You know what I mean?
She ballin' out in Chocolate City. Pulled up to the function, brought her doctor with her. And she bad too. She bad. Good vibes. Work her art just like her tattoos. On track, good mom, and she ain't ran through.
Oh, she ran.
I got
Yeah, around the lyric. And that's how me and him been doing it for years.
That's tight. That's crazy.
So this been like this been like a fresh, cool exercise, but like you get a beat package, the beat crank right to it. You like the beat right to it.
Yeah.
You know, threw me in the ring type shit. I'm like, shit,
You gotta do it.
the beat sound good. I just wouldn't have chose it.
What about this? You chose this one though.
With this joint right here,
This shit hard.
This was one of the joints I
So now it's just like an exercise of getting all the way through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that's why I'm like, you know what? I'm just hungry. I want to put the work in.
I feel it. That's it, huh?
Because I know I'm vicious. I already know I'm vicious at this point.
Yeah. Mine is like, I gotta get out of sketch mode. It's like I be sketching. Oh shit.
Hey, cuz. Hey,
That nigga came through and the lights changed colors and shit.
Hey, man. What?
Hey, this nigga walked in the whole thing.
Yeah, what's up, cuz?
What's up,
How
man?
you, man?
Good.
This really like a little genius type of thing. Like, you was talking about content. Yeah, I went on the chat GPT to get the question. Oh, you got? Hey, thank you, dog. Hey, bro, thank you, man. Real niggas.
Like gravity, hold me down, even when I ain't around.
And they say this shit is raw, dog. What it is, my nigga said I shoot them like a sawdog. Pop off, these niggas got hold off because I hauled off and hit a nigga and I dropped the nigga jaw off on the ground. Put him down.
Prince.
Ah, yeah, good to meet you, bro. You said, what was that? What was that? What? Nah, that was it. That's it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that shit was tight.
Get your shit on?
Nah, that shit was tight. That shit was cold.
That's all right. All right, man. Safe travel.
Alright, let's switch up. Fuck with it or not?
Fuck with it.
Yeah, somehow I ended up over here, dog. By the stadium and shit. Where we at right now, mama? I think we going around here to get to the highway and shit. Oh, that's it right there. Look at that. Look at that. The arenas. Look at that. I think I just missed my turn. I did miss my turn, so we're going around the whole thing. You know what I'm saying? But before it's our turn again, I gotta let it go. I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of ridiculous right here, dog. Bro, this kind of crazy. It's snowed up crazy out here. You know what I'm saying?